Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Slack. Slack is a popular communication tool that can be used to increase productivity and collaboration within a team organization. But did you know that you can also use Slack to make money? Here are 10 ways to make money using Slack. Don't worry about the screen and just listen to my voice. So the first way is create and sell custom Slack emojis. You can design and sell custom emojis to other Slack users. The second way is to build custom integration. If you have programming skill, you can build custom integration for Slacks that other businesses might be willing to pay for. The third way is offer consultant service. If you have expertise in using Slack, you can offer consultant services or to businesses that want to optimize their use for the tool. The fourth way is to sell Slack's related products. You can sell products related to Slack such as t-shirts or stickers through an online store. The fifth way is to become Slack administrator. You can offer your service as a Slack administrator to help businesses manage their account. Sixth way is to offer training and workshop. You can offer training or workshop to businesses how to use Slack properly. You can be a coach or a trainer for them and help them to create a proper Slack account and manage their emails and others. The eighth way is offer translation service. If you are fluently in multiple languages, you can offer translation services for business that use Slack to communicate with clients or partners in other countries. The ninth way is write a book or create a course. If you have extensive knowledge of using Slack, you can create a book or course to teach others how to use it and sell it on digital stores, online stores. You can create your online store and start selling your knowledge as an ebook or course. So the last way is to participate in Slack related affiliate program. You can participate in an affiliate program for products or services related to Slack, such as productivity tools or project management software, and earn a commission for each sale you refer. Overall, there are many ways to make money with Slack, whether through creating custom emoji, building integrations, offering consulting services, selling products, or even participating in affiliate programs. The key is to identify your strengths and skills and find a way to leverage them within the Slack ecosystem. So we are done about the ways and how to get money. Now let's introduce the website. So the website has an easy and friendly interface that after creating the account, this is the dashboard and the home. Here we have our group, my business. So your business will have her account here. Launching. Click on Open Slack to launch the desktop. You can also use Slack in your browser. So here, let's just wait. And while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. So it has several products here. You can click on the arrow to see the products. Okay, something is not good here. Okay, wait. So here we'll come to my secret project. That's why it won't show on the camera. Just kidding. This is not a secret project. I just named this channel Secret Projects. Here you can chat with your group. You can start a video call, tag them. Like we said, you can sell customized emojis. Here we have the emojis, and depending, it's like Discord, you customize emojis or stickers, and you should use Nitro to use them. So here, and send. And here you can chat with your group professionally. You can add co-workers, you can send them the invite link. Here you can view all members. I'm the only member in this channel, just testing the app. So here we have Slack Connects, an easy way to work with people outside Akatsuki. Akatsuki is the name of the channel I made, not the channel, the team. My team now is named Akatsuki. So here you can start a conversation, start a DM. If you have people or their emails, you can view invitations if you are famous. Just kidding. If you have a business, so co-workers can invite you. Here you can browse unread message, the direct message, save it for later, the mentions, the draft, and send. We have all channels, files, people, and user groups, and apps that you can integrate with. So you can connect your tools. Here you can connect apps like Google Drive, Zoom, Google Calendar. We have Stand Up, Simple Poll, Trello, and thousands of other apps like Asana. Those websites and apps are useful if they are gathered, or if you are using them side by side, you can create a great income. And don't forget, if you can't use it, instead of just be more confused while watching people's videos on YouTube, you can just keep it simple and hire a coach or just buy a course. Like we said, if you can do it yourself, other people will do it, and you can just earn it, get it, and learn, and you can teach others. So you take the knowledge and you give the knowledge. It's a fair business. Worth it, right? So I think, guys, that's the end of our videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on other videos on how to make money with famous apps and websites.